video, I'm going to show you how to do a tutorial on silkscreen printing. So here are the things that we are going to need. First is the fabric paints, then the old shirt, followed by the silkscreen with your preferred design. Next would be the squeegee. Step 1. Prepare the old shirt and make sure to put something inside to avoid some clothing. Okay, and when you're done, you can place the silkscreen on top of the shirt. Right. The next is you have to use or put some paint or silkscreen paint here. Then, using the squeegee, gently apply the paint. Just make one direction. Okay. The next is you have to gently lift the silkscreen. Okay, so the last step is we are going to air dry the shirt under the heat of the sun for at least 1 to 2 hours. That's it. Thank you. Until our next tutorial.